So the slide here is actually introducing a very interesting scenario. Okay. Organization 1 originally here is moved down here to a different ISP. So that prefix advertisement would travel down this way, and ISPRS would try to aggregate it with the original IP address block. Well, ISPRS will find that unfortunately the two of them are not aggregatable. In this case, two separate advertisements will go out into the internet. The forwarding table here will contain two entries. One is starting with 199 and one starts 200.something.something 18.0 and 23 bits. This one is 16 bits. And of course, this entry here, will arrive also at the router here at the internet, on the internet. And therefore you have 200.something, 16, and 20 here. So this entry is gonna take the packet out this interface. These two entries is gonna take packet out here. So if there is a packet coming in that is supposed to go to organization 0, it's gonna match the first entry, isn't it? It's not gonna match the entry number 3 because hey, this address space and this address space, they are actually disjoint. So not gonna match this guy here. So packet going for destination organization 0 is gonna go down and travel and down to organization 0. So setting up the forwarding table this way, not the problem. Similarly for organization 2 and 3 and all the way to 7. As long as the destination IP address is matching this, it's gonna come down this way. Yeah, I know you're thinking, hey, what if the packet is going for organization 1? You're right, it's gonna match the first entry. Ooh, a bit worrisome, yes. But if you look down the table, right? Hey, it's gonna also match entry number 3. Now, if we call back in section 4.2, what did we say? We're actually not just doing prefix matching, we are doing what? Longest prefix match. So which one is the longer prefix? 20 versus 23. So packet carrying destination for organization 1's machine is going to come down this way here and eventually reaching organization 1. So we're okay, right? So the overhead of sending the advertisements is still very low. Now slightly higher here if it's not exactly aggregatable, but forwarding is going to be fine. And we allow what? Organizations moving from one ISP to another ISP without changing the physical IP addresses. Therefore, all these servers are running here. They can stay using the same IP address without needing to change the name to IP address mapping. Now, we get the block of IP addresses from our ISP, but next question to ask. How does the ISP get its own block of IP addresses? So it's like saying, hey, the system admin asks the higher level system admin, but higher level system admin asks the even higher level system admin, right? And this goes on. Who's the highest level system admin? Where's the end? Yeah, this organization is the end. So ICANN here is the highest level system admin. This is a non-profit organization overlooking the allocation of the IP addresses, the allocations of the domain names, and managing also the domain name servers. So very important organization. We normally don't know. Only the people who knows about the internet knows a little bit about ICANN.